Welcome to the Premcrete Waterproofing Hub. I'm Kyle Woodcock. We're pleased to introduce the Premcrete Waterproofing Hub. This is a typical scenario of a hoarding we'll supply to site. This can be put up on site to aid with the installation of our products. The idea of the items here is to essentially be able to give you a visual aid in relation to naming of the products. So as an example, we have a set of the CombiSeal ancillaries. So we've got the CombiSeal Plus membrane, which goes along with any washers, fixings, the tape and the fixing gun for that. We also go through to the compounds, which are used for the detailing of different zones where you've got the technical challenges. We've got the hydroproof LG, which is ultimately the liquid gas coating for the likes of your pile cap areas, pile heads, those kind of scenarios. We then move through to the likes of your hydrophilic water bars. This one is known as the Hydrostop BR. As we all know, these ones will be used in the construction joints throughout the project. Also, we have the adhesives and the fixings to go with that one. We then have a slightly different variant of the hydrophilic water bar, which is known as the Hydrostop WS10. This is typically used around your pipe penetrations in those sort of scenarios. We then have the Semflex VB, which is a similar type of product in the fact that it's a water bar. However, it is a different type of water bar for the use in kicker joints. So we can see this is a steel blade water bar over against the typical hydrophilic bentonite water bars. And then moving through again, we have a typical scenario of some concrete repairs. We all know there's honeycombing on various projects, so there's some items there for the use of repairing of those areas, along with your typical resins for your post-installation of rebar connection. And we also have a suite of admixes for your top face retarders, the mould face retarders, and following through to the curing agents and the general release agents, etc. So hopefully this gives you a brief overview of what we're looking at here. This is supplied to all projects, and it's, as I said earlier, an introduction to the site, so there's a visual aid for items throughout the duration of the project.